Feel good? Does this feel good? Huh? Does this feel good to you? Can you not get awake? Can you not wake up? Get under that lip. I'm gonna wash that face. Yeah, get under that neck. There you go. What was that? What was that? Damn.
She blowing bubbles.
She blowing bubbles. How do you like your first bath? Does it feel good? Huh? Does it feel good? Are you too tired? Are you too tired after eating? Does that feel good?
I think we ought to rinse her off.
You better not. Say, Nana. Nana.
We can rinse her right off with that.
Nana's going to put some Dawn on you, she said.
After all these weeks, she needs some Dawn.
Go.
Raise her head up so I see if her eyes are open.
See, there she is, Papa. There she is.
Tilt her head, chin down a little bit.
Chin down.
Yeah.
There you go. Aww.
She's so sleepy, she won't wake up.
She likes it. I can tell. All right, little girl. You ready to get off? Get out?
Rinse that hair. Rinse that hair some more. Get a couple more and rinse her hair off. So it'll be shiny.
Okay. How does that feel?
I want some clean. Let's see some clean water.
I'm just afraid it's going to be too hot.
Let's
It's
do it.
cold.
We can
There we
adjust
go.
it. Is that okay?
That's good.